Introduce you a planting ball fixture. CPU planting ball fixture. By customizing the corresponding model of fixture to carry a CPU planting ball, accurate and efficient. By placing the CPU corresponding to the mold, and then cover the scraping tin sleeve frame for scraping tin operation. After scraping tin, the next step is to plant tin beads. For tin beads, tin operation, a simple planting ball is completed. Is not very simple. Welcome to Consult. Take you to understand more detailed ball planting technology.